Hi guys, here I am on the hill and it's really windy. It's the windiest I've ever been up here. I basically find it difficult to stand at the top. I don't know how good this recording will be because it's so windy, but I'm hunkered right down in the heather on the ground. You can see the moon behind me, and I just want to say it's fantastic, really fantastic coming up the hill when it's like this, so windy and stormy. It's dry at the moment, so you can appreciate a lot better, and also it's not icy cold, so it makes it easier to appreciate. But just want to say it's amazing, totally worthwhile the effort getting up here, getting out at this time of year, particularly over the festive season. Getting out every day into the nature and really allowing yourself to embody it. It's a real liberating experience after the overindulgence quality of the house and of this period in general, but also to connect on a deeper level, to let yourself connect with your own inner child and allow that to fully incarnate within you in a place of peace and surrender and protection. So I'm just going to leave you with that. Leave that with you. It's like it's Christmas Eve, and yeah, it makes the evening even more special. But just to recommend getting out. Any time of year when it's rough, it's one of the best things to do, because it really, even if you're just in it for the bushcraft experience, getting out when it's bad, whatever, there's nothing like it that can totally educate you about your body and your relationship with the environment. So highly recommend it. Anyway, have a good one. Bye for now.